The attacker comes from behind, he uses his forearm to apply pressure to the larynx, to the throat of the victim. So he puts his arm over there, and with the free hand, you can either grab the hand like this and then apply the choke, or sometimes he carries a weapon and puts the weapon against the victim, or maybe if it's a rape situation, you might want to unfasten his pants, or if it's a kidnapping situation, you might want to open a car door or whatever. So what is your instinctive reaction when this happens? Because you can't get air flowing through your mouth into your body, you normally grab the arms. That's the instinctive reaction. So we're going to use that instinctive reaction and work it a little bit further. Now, your instinct will also be to get away from your attacker. So most people will want to go in that direction. This is the one case where we're not going to follow our instincts, because the attacker might be stronger than me, and I'm trying to compete against his muscle power. And if he grabs his opposite hand like this, that's not going to help me in any way whatsoever. So this is not the way we're going to do it. So another thing that happens during this type of attack is the attacker wants to pull you backwards and he has more control. So after we've grabbed the wrists, we want to try and prevent that from happening. And the way that we do it is we take a nice wide stance so that we have proper balance, and then we push our buttocks outwards so that the attacker is forced to bend slightly forward. That makes it more difficult for the attacker to pull you backwards. The next thing we're going to do from this position, bend over quickly. From this position, you can see here's an opening on this side. Again, a gate, like with that wrist escape that we've learned, and like with that choke escape that we've learned, we always go towards the opening. So she's going to look towards the opening, and she's going to lower her chin while she's looking in that direction. And then she's going to move backward and outwards while she's keeping my arm tightly trapped against her chest. Now see what happens then eventually. I need to go down because this becomes painful.